here's my number one top safety tip. Watch for things floating in the water. Okay, they all have to do with the boat moving. The number two tip is, or it's really a tie, is so we're in America and we know that we drive on the right side of the road. So in the water, to quickly summarize it, it's just the opposite of that. It's almost like if you were in Europe. It's not always the case. There's different rules for right of way on the water. But if you can think about, hey, I'm in the UK and I need to pass the boat on the other side. Here's the problem. If you know that, and I know that, that's great. But 99% of the people that are on the water are going to want to pass each other on the opposite side. Okay? So you just need to yield. If you see an oncoming boat, slow your boat down. If you're not sure what they're going to do, you can't count on the fact that he knows which way to turn or he doesn't. So you be the person that turns off quickly.